Hello friends and welcome to math. What are ways to compare numbers to 120? I can find numbers that are more or less than a given number. Whoa, guys, it's officially December. So our global awareness is going to have a lot to do with the upcoming holidays. All around the world, children are preparing for the upcoming holidays. The Chinese Christmas trees are called trees of light. Santa Claus is called Dun Chi Lao Rin. I think I did okay, which means Christmas old man. A tradition that's becoming popular on Christmas Eve is giving apples. I don't know. Do you guys give apples on Christmas Eve? I don't, but it's honestly not a bad idea, and that's what they're doing in China. Let's see. Many stores have apples wrapped up in colored paper for sale. They give apples on Christmas Eve because the Chinese Christmas Eve is called Ping An Yi, which means peaceful or quiet evening. So we have right here, John has 56 apples. Whoop. And a display at the store. Complete each sentence to make it true. So, if we have one more than 56, you guys know that one more is 57. One less than 56, we know that only one less is 55. But now it wants to know 10 more and 10 less. That's where using your chart and the upcoming problems we're going to discuss today is going to be helpful. But if you're counting by tens and you're counting by tens up to 56, we need to know what 10 more is. So if we say 36, 46, 56, 66. Now 10 less is what we said before 56 counting by 10. So 46, 56. So 46 was 10 less. All right, and we're definitely going to review that today, and I'm going to show you how you can use a chart to help you. All right, we're going to do our review, and then we're going to listen to our 10 more, 10 less song. Which subtraction equation tells about the picture? So we see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons. Minus 2, because 2 of them are marked out, equals 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we know 6 minus 2 equals 4. I'm sorry, my marker's a little off. 6 minus 2 equals 4. You also could do 6 minus 4 equals 2, but because we have the 2 marked out, that's what we're going to subtract. Which is the missing number? 12 is blank tens and 2 ones. If you're looking at 12, you know that this is only 1 10. So our answer is 110. Joyce counts by ones starting at 62. Which number does Joyce forget to count? 62, 63, 65, 66, 67, 68. I just saw one of our missing numbers. So after 63, we've got to have 64. And after 65, we've got to have 66. She skipped 2 numbers while counting. You guys are really good with your fluency and counting, which is what I'm so impressed with because, sorry guys, this should be 64. I'm super impressed with how great you guys are doing with counting all the way to 120 already. So it's a good idea to practice counting to 120 even every day, because when you get fluent at counting, that's what helps you not to skip your numbers. All right, let's listen to our video. You guys might want to dance along.
What's 10 more? What's 10 less? You don't have to count or guess. What's 10 less? What's 10 more? Either way, you'll know for sure. Take a number and what's 10 more? Get the answer right away. count, worry or doubt, add a 1 to the tens place. What's 10 more than 20? Add a 1 to the tens place. 10 more than 20 is 30. Okay. What's 10 more than 50? Add a 1 to the tens place. 10 more than 50 is 60. Okay. What's 10 more than 70? Add a 1 to the tens place. 10 more than 70 is 80. Okay. What's 10 more than 10? Add a 1 to the tens place. 10 more than 10 is 20. Okay. What's 10 more? What's 10 less? You don't have to count or guess. What's 10 less? What's 10 more? Either way, you'll know for sure. Take a number, and what's 10 less? Get the answer right away. You don't have to count, worry or doubt. Subtract a 1 from the tens place. What's 10 less than 20? Subtract a 1 from the tens place. 10 less than 20 is 10. Okay. What's 10 less than 50? Subtract a 1 from the tens place. 10 less than 50 is 40. Okay. What's 10 less than 70? Subtract a 1 from the tens place. 10 less than 70 is 60. Okay. What's 10 less than 10? Subtract a 1 from the tens place. 10 less than 10 is 0. Okay. What's 10 more? What's 10 less? You don't have to count or guess. What's 10 less? What's 10 more? Either way, you'll know for sure. What's 10 more? What's 10 less? You don't have to count or guess. What's 10 less? What's 10 more? Either way, you'll know for sure. Let's be friends.
All right, guys. So I know that's kind of a review because you guys do know how to count up by tens and down by tens. But we're going to kind of see a new strategy that can help us with that. So here's what our first example is. Complete each sentence. Use place value blocks if needed. So we see that our main number is 35. So I'm going to go ahead and circle 35 just so I know where it is on my hundreds chart and I don't even have to keep finding it. It says, what is 1 more than 35? If you're looking for one more, you just need to hop over one space. So we know the number after 35 is 36. What is 1 less than 35? You've got to go backwards 1 because your number is going to get smaller. So we know that 1 less is 34. Well, here's where it might get a little tricky. So we need 10 more than 35. So here's our number, guys. If you need 10 more, you can hop down 1 column right here, and you'll hop down and you'll see 45. Because, guys, each row is equal to 10. So we've got 10 here, so we're going to hop down a tens place. Notice that my tens place is 1 bigger, but my ones place stays the same. So just like he just said in that video, you go up by 1 or down by 1 in the tens place only. So now we need 10 less. So we're going to go up 10 and make it 25. You know that 25, the 2 is less than the 3. So we subtracted 10. So on his T-chart that was just in the video, if we had our 10s and our 1s, and we had 35 and we needed 10 less, you only take away from the tens place. So your 5 will be the same, and you'll say 3 minus 110 equals 2. So your answer would be 25. All right, guys. Then we have one more like that for you to practice on your own with 58. Now, we're gonna look right here. Circle the picture that shows 10 more than 44. So 44 is our number. So we need to know which one is 10 more. So I'm gonna count each of my sets. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Thinking, is that 10 more than 44? Let's count this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Well, I know that 44 is not 10 more than 44 because that's the exact same number. But I know that 54 is 10 more than 44 because 5 is 1 more 10 than 4. So 44, 54. I know this because 5 is 1 more 10. Remember, you only change that tens place. All right, guys. We left one here for you to practice. This is saying 1 less than 44. All right, you're going to record yourself answering this question. You can also write it on a piece of paper. How does a number change when you find the number that is 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, and 10 less than that number? You can record yourself explaining it or you can write it, whatever is easiest for you. And your assignment for today, pages 497 to 500. Be sure, if you have to draw a picture, explain your